So I have a round tip that I pipe those little dots. And then I took a tiny little flower tip to pipe the white in the middle of it. And just kind of pipe inside of it. You can push down a little bit and then pull up slightly so that they stay attached. I did that around the cupcakes as just kind of fillers. There's my succulent cupcake with those little fellas. Alright, now I've got a rose tip. It's a larger rose tip, and I've got the bigger side at the top to start my center that I just go around. And since I didn't have icing on it to begin with, because I'm making these bare, I just kind of took my finger to hold that down and get that middle piece. And then I turned it around to where the tiny piece of the tip is at the top, and I piped over each side to start this succulent. And then I started going around in rainbow motions to close in my succulent, and you can do as many of those as you feel is needed to fill your cupcake. And I did them real tight, closing them in, and I went all the way around. And there's my succulent on that peach cupcake. Okay, so I have this strange little leaf tip that has this little line going up the side of it, and I just kind of squeeze and lift and squeeze and lift to make these leaves around as fillers. And the harder you squeeze, the bigger your leaf will be. So it just depends on what you think is best. I'm going to make another succulent here, and I've got a regular leaf tip, and I put the icing in one color on one side of the bag and the darker green on the other side of the bag to mix them. And I am just going to the middle and squeezing several times, but releasing my pressure as I squeeze out to get those riplets. And then I go back in the middle and kind of raise my bag and my tip so that they're coming up and out to give it more of a lift and a 3D effect. And I did it for a third time, and then I went and closed it in and finished in the middle. Look at that little succulent, so pretty.